It is possible to invest less than half the money of someone else but end up with almost 330,000 euro more. It sounds like a trick, but is a mathematical reality. Today, we are looking why the biggest advantage in building wealth isn't a high salary. It is something we all have, but few we know how to use. Time. We often hearing the phrase, time is money, school or at work. But when it comes to investing, time is the most valuable asset you can ever own. Let's look at an example. Meet Maria. Maria starts investing at age 25. She invests 4,000 euro per year for just 10 years. By age 34, she had invested a total of 40,000. Then she stops completely. She never adds another euro to her account. Now meet Nick. Nick starts investing at age 35. He also invests 4,000 euro per year, but he continues investing every single year for the next 25 years until he reaches age 60. In total, Nick invests 100,000, 2.5 times more money than Maria. So, who do you think end up with more money at age 60? Most people will say Nick. After all, he put in much more of his hard-earned money. But here is the surprising part. Assuming an average annual return of 10%, Nick finished with approximately 433,000 euros, while Maria finished with approximately 760,000 euros. Let that sink in. Maria invested less than half the amount, yet she finished with nearly 330,000 euro more. How is that possible? The answer is compounded interest. Maria's money had something Nick could never buy: time. The money she invested at age 25 had 35 years to grow, to generate returns. And then those returns generated even more returns, year after year, like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger as it moves. This is the true power of compounding. Those who understand compounding benefit from it. Those who ignore it work against it. Most people think they need a lot of money to start. In reality, they just need to start early. Personally, I practice this through a simple, long-term approach using diversified ETFs. Funds like VUAA, which tracks the S&P 500, or dividend growth ETFs like DJRW, allow us to participate in the growth of hundreds of global companies. To turn this theory into practice, you need a reliable gateway to the markets. If you would like to start your own investing journey, you can use the special referral link in the description below, or scan the QR code on your screen to open an account with Freedom24. By using our link, you can set up your account in just a few steps, support our channel, and become eligible to receive a free stock after your first deposit, subject to their current promotional terms. Of course, remember that investing involves risks. There are no guarantees, and you must always do your own research. Because at the end of the day, time really is money, and every year you delay is a year you will never get back. If you found this helpful, subscribe to NomismaNow for more calm, simple perspectives on economies and financial freedom. Welcome to the journey. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the possibility loss of capital. Always conduct your own research before making investment decisions.